The United Kingdom has its next Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak, the 42-year-old former Treasury Secretary emerging victorious in the contest to become leader of the Conservative Party after other candidates dropped out.
Rishi Sunak is therefore elected as leader of the Conservative Party.
Sunak making history as the first person of colour to become a British Prime Minister. The son of Punjabi Indian immigrants, he is also Britain's first practising Hindu PM. Sunak won the race to replace Liz Truss following her chaotic resignation last week after serving just 44 days. In a contest hastily organised by the Conservative Party to find her successor, Sunak defeated two challengers. Most dramatically, Boris Johnson, who tried to stage an unlikely comeback. The former Prime Minister rushing back from a Caribbean vacation to try to retake office after being ousted by his party in disgrace less than 2 months earlier. But after briefly gaining momentum, Johnson forced to drop out on Sunday night, unable to win the backing of enough Tory lawmakers. Penny Mordaunt, a relatively inexperienced former minister, also dropping out when it became clear she didn't have the votes. Conservatives hoping Sunak will provide some stability after the recent chaos at the top of British government, where there have been 3 prime ministers in just a few weeks. Rishi Sunak is also the richest Prime Minister the UK has ever had, with an estimated wealth that's double that of the King's. He faces immediate challenges, though. Opposition parties are demanding a general election, but he has already reportedly ruled that out. Patrick Reevell, ABC News, London.